welcome to our scientist very morning. But before we go any further, we have full tattoo safety guideline. Level fa malum tatusanga my master ni fa malum tattoo officer so for malo lo. We have full safety guideline la. So if a pela na make sure ola sa fa yu lima. Make sure ola sa file you before you what? Before you touch anything else, make sure that the germs are free and everything's free, everything. So thank you. I have a bit for this sanitizer. Now for me, what do you use? Yes, for simoli and clean water. Now for the umida, it's a winner fight lay only for simoli. Lale umi. Oh yeah, there. You if I made loss for say conea. Yeah, but for the Syria to fair well la paper. But quite far away. Yeah. Okay, then after that you try. Now, before me, I had 3 cards. So you paper pili more. Okay. 1, put on my classes first. 2, 3. Okay, now. Paper pele, I'm going to show you what these cards are. Matau mai la paper tapelena, matau le mai. Wow, matau. We rola. Okay. They are over it. Okay. Now, the same cards, if you're going to look at it, to matau me foila. Paper pele, Otutusa. Otutusa. 1, 2, 3. Otutusa. Fesa vai. This one? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That's it. Yes, so relax. Put this away.
Edward!
Don, look at this.
This rock looks just like a leaf. But wait, how can a leaf be a rock?
This is a fern fossil. You know how you can tell? Aha! Just as I suspected.
So the leaf just turned into a rock?
Yep. That's how fossils are made.
I thought fossils only came from dinosaurs.
Well, anything can become a fossil. Just has to be covered in layers of mud for a very long time.
Anything? Edward, I want to be a fossil.
But you can't.
Pause.
Do you think it will take a long time or a short time for Dawn to become a fossil? Unpause.
Edward? Edward, how long do you think I need to be here to turn into a fossil?
Well, the fossil we found was millions of years old, so you'll be here for a long, long time.
Millions of years? That's a lot of sleeps. What if I have to pee? Oh, Edward, I just don't think I have the patience to be a fossil.
Well, that's good, because I'd rather have a friend than a fossil any day.
What's the word up there? Fossils. All together, fossils. Yeah. Fossil. What is a fossil? But Eilata to guided questions. We have 3 focus questions. Tolata to facilita elata tola everyone papa. Fata umefala sona. Umfanta to tarieta facila naito. If you look at this one here. The focus questions here. Question 1 more. What are fossils? What are fossils? Focus question number 2. How are fossils formed? How do they formed? And the last question, question number 3. Why are fossils important? Why are fossils important? Of course, we can convert these or change these focus questions to learning outcome. You know that usual thing you do in your classroom. Learning outcome. Okay, learning outcome, then they will be like this. We are learning to explain what fossils are. That's for learning outcome. We are learning to explain how they are formed, how fossils are formed. See how we converted that to learning outcome. And the last one, we are learning to explain why fossils are important. So we put this on the board, our focus question, okay? So tell me, fossils. Fossils. Would like to share? So let's have a look at this one. Look at the definition we have here for you. Fossils, okay. We have here. Brother. Fossils are the remains of living things that existed many years ago. Okay, that's what fossils are. Okay, read it again. Fossils are the remains of living things that existed many years ago. O fossils, po meio towing o malo. On me, po me sabe meolo. Saya swala whatever. Pio milion tausang. Moment. Okay, so we put up there. Put up here. Look at the pictures here of some fossils. That's a fossil there. Look at this one. Or this one. If I've been falling or fossils. Being towing of or moe, swala. Let's put it up here. Fossil, come here. And we're going to put you up here. Another picture of fossils. Okay, let's look at here. See the fossil? There comes the fossil. What could be this animal? Say mate maya. Tano e whalau mate tau rote i utalane. Amatarare manu le no fossil there. Could be an animal we had never seen here in Samoa before, right? See, this is good about fossils. Okay. We put them up here. Another one. Let's visit another one. It's a fossil of a fish. Is that a fish? Is that a fish? It's a fossil of a fish. Okay. So, tell me falling on fossil there. Also, okay, put it up there. And then the last one. is it? What is it? Fossil of a what? Yeah, leaf. It's a leaf, right? Just imagine. People think I'm all a fossil name leaves. Just imagine. We don't know about warrior law. But they follow a fossil. Okay, let's put it under here. Well, so now we have, you know what fossils are? Then you can see the examples of fossils here. Let's give you the example of the fossil. Then it comes to the word. What is the word given to the study of fossil? Fossil, because that's how you summarize the word. For me, if I have value to top, or the Samoa or the fossil, or doing a wamalo. Makes sense? At least we understand what fossils are. Because very rare, we're going to use doing a wamalo throughout our everyday lives. We're going to refer to fossil. Okay, that's a word here. Now, can you say the word? Now repeat after me. Paleontology. 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 And okay, we put this word up here. Paleon. Say it after me. If I make him a salty, you're the lung sitting next to you. You say the word. Repeat after me. Paleontology. Paleontology. Okay, and what is the meaning of this word paleontology? It is the study of fossils. So we put the definition next to the word. Okay, so if paleontology is the study of fossil, then what are scientists who study fossils called? For paleontology, or studying of the fossil, or it's always scientists here to fossils. They like fossil. They go digging for fossils. What are they called? What's the rule that you learned from your English? You what? Always add an IST to the word, and that word becomes paleontologist. I'll say the word. Repeat the word after me. Paleontologist. Again, say it again. Paleontologist. Of course it's paleontologist. All right, face your sister. Okay, now say the word to him. Paleontologist. Make sure it's 1 meter distance, okay? Say the word. Now you two, face the screen. Say the word. Paleontologist. Paleontologist. We put the word up here. Okay, and the meaning. What could be the meaning of that? I have the meaning here, but you guess. If paleontology is the study of fossils, then what is a paleontologist? What does a paleontologist do? Of course, read the definition. It's a scientist who studies the fossilized remains of all kinds of organisms. So the key word here is the name of the scientist. So we put it up here. So let's have a look at these 2 words here. It's paleontology, study of fossils. Repeat after me. Paleontologist, a scientist who studies the fossil remains, all kinds of organisms. Right? Practice saying these words. Practice. Say paleontology, paleontologist. Right? Okay, like this. paleontologist, paleontology. Yeah, you get it. Okay, now let's move on. So how are fossils formed? Let's have a look at the second one. How are they formed? So we move on to the second question, focus question, or second outcome, which is finding out how fossils are formed. Now we have here, see, like way back, hundreds and millions of years ago, there were animals. Animals are like that. And this is a swampy area, or watery soil. Let's make the soil watery. The soil is very watery. Yeah. La mengala ko wala le. Ala fitawida ko wala. Yeah. Muda. Kuri. Ale ai kuri le osoro kong ia. Kuri sa wa. Alora yo le. Si ko kuri wase kwale malwa ko ya ye o. A o le ala le wala frek kong I. Wa trap ale kong si area le. Wa trap ta le se me ai. But what fun came me okay for you, see, then it does slowly like this. Like a little area, it's swampy, it's watery, yeah. And throughout the years, va vers kang mielong king of king of mamulia, maka foi decompose for became of a flash, you know, buying a tingle. Oleh mana le wafuli mo fafelbe sau si ala fa pe sau si mena wa kang mo fa pe wa kang mo fa pe sa ko sau le fa wa la mo wa kang mo so every time wa kang mo wa o ala o pala o so ongole kaini see vai dar meu tu eu wa dar yang ka feel wa o pressure and heat wa o me la lo ya si manu no tanui ia makalero ke wa pala ia me foi ra o flesh para no tino but the bones remained. Don't forget that. The bones lang, yan mura kamalayo of fossils. See, like fossils. So that's an example of how fossils are formed. So what did and they come in, error for your no food. It died gradually, and then the more dirt, rock, the soil, everything buried this one. Yeah. So and just like this one, see how they are formed, and it takes hundreds and thousands and millions of years. See how fossils are formed? Can you explain now how fossils are formed? After this lesson, you can have make your own demonstration of how they are formed. You do this demonstration like this, and then you will understand better how fossils are formed. Okay? Can you now answer the question there? The learning outcome. Can you now explain how fossils are formed? By that. Okay. And I'll start. Okay. There. I need to go and wash my hands first. Okay. Let's wrap up that questions. How fossils are formed. Okay. Now, fossils are formed in different ways, and most are formed when or what? What's the word there? When a plant or animal dies in a watery environment and is buried in mud and silt. See, do we know what fossils are formed now? we have done a demonstration, but this is for your own info. Okay, fossils are formed in different ways, but most are formed when a plant or animal dies in a watery environment and is buried in mud and silt. Now let's put this up here. Okay, put it up here. How's that? That's fine. Mow you down here. Wow. Okay, but before we move to the last learning outcome, I've got some resources here with me. Let's make fossils. How's that? Let's make fossils. And what I have here with me, I have here some clay, clay here. And this powder here is called the plaster of Paris. Okay, plaster of Paris. And just for inquiry, where to get this plaster of Paris? You get it from sap. Okay, very rare. And it is very important in making models. Now we're gonna make a model, a dino fossil. You have your clay here. I'm pretty sure they have clay, right? Clay here. Be careful. And then what we do here is to do this. Ya fire se longa. Im quite longa la vale. Therefore lingo. Longa la vai il mena al mangi dinosaur e yang me pi we fa pia. Now pull this out. Pull very gently and very carefully. Wait on me. The shape of it. Okay. So we need this one. We need for this plasticine there. It cover the sides, La following el pauca là. Ahora, plaster of Paris, or plaster of Paris. Where do you get it from? You get it from lana and sap. Okay, you go and ask for that beautiful lady and her companion there. They will show you where to find this plaster. Okay. Need some bit of water. Bit of water. And if I swallow you get if I could go. Yeah, better make what if food, yeah. But okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Then that's it. Then we leave it to dry. Okay. We need this to dry, and we go and clean ourselves. We go and clean our hands. Okay. Fruit at all, if I tell you to eat, we give it 10-15 minutes.
Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, the fossil song. The early forms of life were soft, their bodies didn't last, but microscopic traces help us learn about the past. 500 million years ago came an important stage. Tough body parts like shells evolved and left us with remains. Fossils, a special kind of treasure. We dig them up for science and we study them for pleasure. Fossils from deep within the ground. Despite the plain appearance, they've the power to astound. Encased encased in mud for many years, the structure starts to change as over time the animal's soft tissue rots away, and water-rich in minerals can seep into the bones, which eventually solidify and turn them into stone. Fossils, fossils, they're hidden in the mud. Creatures that got buried or were caught up in a flood. Fossils, fossils, skeletons and shells. Animals that died and then were buried where they fell. So imagine what's beneath your feet, buried in the dark. Shells, or bones, or teeth, or poo, or a prehistoric shark. Fossils, fossils, it's really rather rare. Remains must be encased without exposure to the air. Fossils, fossils, to die and not decay, before your body's eaten or your bones get blown away. Fossils, fossils, much older than your nan, from 500 million years ago when life on Earth began.
Don't fear. Let's see. Here. See? Dino fossil. Okay, so you can use the paints from your visual art, you know, to see found brown. You can paint it because I don't have paints here, okay? Okay, making our own dino fossil. Yeah, if I see shape like this, fossil found I see. Nisi meola po laula or twig of plants and all that to make your own fossil. The last one is why fossils are important. Why do you think they are important? Maybe we can think. Mafofo. Why? Look at this. Look at the development of it, the formation. Why? Why do you think it's the topic on fossils? What interesting. Okay. Whew. So that's what it says here. It says here, fossils are important because they provide us with the knowledge of animals and plants that lived hundreds of years ago. They also show us that life on Earth was once different from life found on Earth today. Okay, it's quite interesting because dinosaur. Why there were no dinosaur. Dinosaur. But through this, they discover, perhaps there were animals like this, and they put together these fossils, these bones, after their digging. And they came up with the construction of this huge animals, tall animals like this, like the dinosaurs. Okay, so according to our last focus question, why are these important? Because it tells us the information, gives us the information of what life was back hundreds and thousands and millions of years ago, and also the living organisms that lived in those days. That's a few kilometers extinct. So I put this up here. So we put it up here, right? How's that? So have we achieved our questions there? Have we able to answer all our focus questions there? What fossils are? What fossils are? Fossils are the remains of living things that existed many years ago. Can you now explain what fossils are? Tell him what fossils are. Yeah, tell him. Okay, and then we come to the next one. How fossils are formed. How are they formed? You're buried. Once the animal dies, they are buried layers and layers of soil. And then why fossils are important. Well, it tells us what life was back in the animals that lived hundreds and thousands, millions of years ago. But for now, I think time is up, right? I think our time is up. Right? Until we meet again. But for now, thank you. Bye, 6. 8